Hello people, hello words, and hello Philippines. It's me again. Shoutout sa lahat ng mga Pilipino sa buong daigdig. Kung nakikita nyo guys, yung nakikita ko, siyempre si Pangulong Marcos Jr. Ayan po ay in-interview po siya ng media. All the way from Honolulu, Hawaii. O, di ba? Dito sa interview nito, mga kababayan, ito po para sa mga DDS. Sa mga marites na walang ginawa kundi nagpapakalat ng fake news na sinasabi, baklas na daw, ang unit team, watak-watak. Ito, pakinggan nyo ang sinabi ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. At isa pa, yung relasyon niya kay BP Sara as a best friend, pakinggan nyo din ang kanyang sinasabi. At tungkol naman sa yung balita na para sa impeachment, ito para sa mga makabayan black na walang ginawa kundi puna ng puna. Pero hindi nakikita yung mga kanilang mga ginagawa. O, 'di ba? Nagmamalinis. O, i-impeach mo ang isang tao, wala naman sapat na dahilan or walang malalim na dahilan. Ay, nakakatawa kayo talaga. O, ito, pakinggan nyo ang sinabi mismo ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Tungkol dyan sa mga makabayang bluki-bluki na yan. Siyempre guys, panoorin nyo to para kompleto Ricardo. Ito na po.
Another topic, Ana Felicia Baggio of GMA News Online.
Good afternoon, Mr. President. Sir, we just want to know what are your thoughts or reaction on the impeachment talks against Vice President Sara Duterte?
Well, lahat naman kami merong ganyan eh. So I don't think it's particularly unusual. I don't think it's particularly worrisome. You know, there will always be an element that will want to change the results of an election. So of course, binabantayan namin ng mabuti because we don't want her to be impeached. We don't want her to. She does not deserve to be impeached. So we will make sure that this is something that we will pay very close attention to. You know, the declarations of impeachment, parang lahat naman ng presidente ini-impeach. Ngayon, vice president pa. So I guess it's just a continuing evolution of that thinking. Basta ayaw namin dyan, tanggalin natin, impeach natin. Wala naman siguro at wala naman sigurong dahilan kung hindi lang ayaw sa amin. That's not a reason to be impeached.
So, sir, wala pong unit team crackdown na tinatawag?
Na?
Unit team crack.
I don't think so. Mas tumitibay nga eh. Dumadami yung pumupunta sa lakas, dumadami yung pupunta sa PFP.
Oh, narinig niyo yun?
We are consolidating the unit team. It's actually become bigger and stronger than it was before. So,
yun naman pala eh.
Ayan, wishful thinking. These are the same people that talk about impeachment. They are also the same people that, wala na, nagbaklas-baklas na yung unit team.
Correct.
Hindi, totoo yun. Tignan na lang ninyo mga political developments in the past few months.
Sir, last time, how's your relationship with her po? With Sara? How's your relationship?
Excellent. We on a professional level, I have nothing but good things to say about the work that she has done in the Department of Education. On a very personal level, we get along very well because you cannot campaign for how many months was that? We were campaigning together without getting to know each other very well, and it turns out that we are very different in many ways and we're very similar in many ways. But that makes for a good friendship.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Alright.
Thank you, Malacanang Press.
Narinig nyo yon? Narinig nyo? Katabi yan si speaker, ha? So yun, mga kababayan, narinig nyo siguro yung sinabi ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. Buo pa ang unit team. At sabi niya, ayaw niya ma-impeach si Sara. There's no reason para ma-impeach. Sa anong dahilan? Tama nga naman si Pangulong Marcos Jr. Paano kasi? Puro kayo daldal ng daldal sa social media. Kayong nagpapagulo ha? At saka isa pa, Abang nagsasalita ang Pangulo, katabi po si Speaker of the House. So, ibig sabihin, si Speaker hindi nang aaway. Sino mga nang aaway? Kayo talaga, oo. Focus na lang kayo dyan sa bahay nyo. Puro kayo daldal ng daldal eh. Magtanim na lang kayo ng talbos ng kamote. Pagsabihin nyo na lang si Tatay Digong. Tama na yung kadaldal sa social media. So malinaw yan, Bibi Sara at saka Pangulong Marcos Jr. still BFF yan. Very strong ang kanilang samahan. So, pakinggan nyo guys. At ito yung very short video ni Bibi Sara. Di ba? Siyempre, bago yung panoorin yan, don't forget to like, hit the button bell para lagi kayong update. Okay? Bye and baboos.
I believe I still have the trust of President Marcos Jr. Why? Because before he left, I asked him about the impeachment and he told me the truth that he knows about the impeachment.